Oh, when the sun beats down and burns the tar up on the roof, and your shoes get so hot, you wish your tired feet were fireproof. Under the boardwalk, down by the sea, yeah, on a blanket with my baby, is where I'll be.
Right, hi Eleanor.
Hi, welcome to Sainte-Marie-de-Ré.
Sainte-Marie-de-Ré.
We go have a look at this fantastic property.
Lovely. Let's have a look. Oh wow, nice. That's nice.
Here it is.
That's sweet, isn't it? So where are we?
So we're in Sainte-Marie-de-Ré, one of the southern villages of the island. Quite popular. The beaches are really good here. There's all shops, restaurants, whatever you want in the village, and you can obviously go by bike everywhere, like any place in the island.
Yeah, that's probably a good thing.
Yeah, it's a really good family destination, really.
And obviously being in the island, it's flat. The Ile de Ré.
Yeah, flat.
So there's no mountains and hills to climb.
Not at all.
Nice. This is really pretty.
Yeah, the courtyard is really
I love the stone
private.
staircase in the front here.
Yeah, it's such a special house. Really, really special.
So it's a listed building, I think you were saying.
The façade is listed.
Okay.
Balnéaire, style balnéaire. It's the last house on the island to have kept its façade.
So it's the last one that's got the wooden frieze.
Yeah.
It really is quite something. Can we have a look inside?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
We go up on the main level.
So the ground floor's there. This is the
floor,
sort of semi-basement.
Semi-basement, and then there's a mezzanine on the second floor.
So we're on 3 levels.
Yep.
And we'll go.
We can choose which stairs, but I'd suggest
Let's
this one.
go in the main entrance.
Please go ahead.
Thank you. Yeah, this is nice. It's got all its original ironwork and the original joinery as well, in really good condition.
Yeah, it's been very well maintained. All the original features are still here.
Yeah.
No, it's really a lovely.
Well, this is a nice space with the light. You know, it's really pretty.
So this is the sort of dining area, plus the kitchen and utility
this
space.
centre level is the living area.
Living area. You've got the dining room here and the living room aside.
So kitchen, diner and sitting room over there. Okay. Oh, that's the lounge, okay.
The lounge. With a large window also.
And a mezzanine above.
And a mezzanine above for extra.
Okay, so that could double up as an extra bedroom if need be.
It could, yeah, it could be brought out and made another bedroom. We've got 3 at the moment.
So you've got 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms?
2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms.
Two, okay. Okay, so there's a mezzanine here which could eventually make another bedroom. Yeah.
Exactly, it could. At the moment we've got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom and a toilet on each level.
Okay, so the toilet on each floor?
On each floor.
Yeah, that's a nice space, a living area. It's really nice.
Really comfortable.
It sort of flows through, yeah.
Even if we've only got windows.
The windows are huge.
They are enormous.
Yeah, it's a nice beach house, isn't it? It's a lovely holiday home.
It's got a really nice feeling to it.
It has, yeah.
We can go upstairs.
Upstairs, yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
So here we are on the top floor.
Yeah.
Cosy mezzanine area, plus a bedroom with ensuite bathroom.
Oh, that's cosy. So we're in the loft, really?
Yep.
Okay, that's quite cleverly worked out.
Yeah, it's been nicely designed.
Nice floorboards.
Yep.
So there's solid wooden floorboards, and it's clad with nice sized boards, nice big wide boards. Which is nice. It's not Lombry. It's like done, and I like it. It's tasteful.
Nicely designed.
Nice pointed stone wall. It is. It's tasteful. It's harmonious. Natural colours and natural materials.
Yeah, it feels really cosy.
Yeah. It's a nice place. It's got a really good feel, hasn't it? Nice feel.
Yeah, and a shower room.
Super. Yeah. So this is quite an independent suite then, really, out the way.
Independent, and then on the ground floor you'll find the other 2 bedrooms. So we go down to have a look at them.
Oh, so they're at the bottom in the basement?
Yeah, separate.
Or the semi-basement.
Semi-basement.
Yeah. See, it has a proper staircase right through the house.
Yeah.
It's a nice staircase as well.
So you could come in from outside, obviously, from here. And then you've got 2 bedrooms and the bathroom central.
So it's quite a nice height down here as well.
Yeah.
Well, we've got about 2.4, 2.5 metres, something like that, yeah. 2.5, I think.
So, first bedroom here.
Yeah.
Where they've kept the
original
windows that go with the facade.
So you've got gas-fired central heating?
Yes.
Oh, that's quite handy. It's quite rare these days to have proper central heating in a
holiday home.
Yeah, in a holiday home, yeah. Oh, okay, so we've got a shower and a bath here.
Shower, bath and toilet.
Because I can't not do without a bath. I think there's a lot of us that need a bath. Not that we're smelly.
No, it's a good size.
Yeah, no, that's all right, isn't it? It's nice. Mind you, I say that the shower's for short people. You can't be too tall.
You're still okay.
Just about. Just about. It's literally on your head. Oh, okay, that's cute. It's nice.
So this is the last bedroom, about 12 square metres. Again, the windows and traditional.
Yeah, well, it's nice to have an opening window in a semi-sous-sol, which is nice. It's nice and airy. It's dry as a bone as well.
Yes.
There's no damp anywhere. It's really dry.
And you've got inbuilt cupboards at the back there. So in total in the house, there's 105 square metres.
Yeah, they're good deep cupboards, aren't they? There's quite a good, useful amount of cupboard space. Oh, it's nice, it's charming, it's got a really lovely feel to it, it's really nice.
So we go back outside to have another look.
Yeah, that's handy that you can come straight out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, you know, yeah, because they're 105 square metres in the middle of Sainte-Marie-de-Ré, on the Ile de Ré, with this nice outside,
garden.
Yeah.
That's
for a village, this is a big outside space, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
And if you wanted to, you could even bring a car off-road.
You could.
Or a motorcycle or whatever.
Yeah. You could rethink the garden if wanted.
No, it's a cracker. It's really, really pretty. All right, brilliant. Thank you.
Oh, when the sun beats down and burns the tar up on the roof, and your shoes get so hot, you wish your tired feet were fireproof. Under the boardwalk, down by the sea, yeah, on a blanket with my baby, is where I'll be. From the park you hear the happy sound of a carousel. Ooh, you can almost taste the hot dogs and french fries they sell. Under the boardwalk, down by the sea, yeah, on a